What do you think?
Nice smooth ride. Very fun, very fast.
Meow. Thanks for joining us. We're going to do a unboxing of the new Citizen London e-bike, and I'm really excited for this. We had the Citizen's first e-bike years ago. It was called the Citizen Frisco, and they kind of got out of the electric bike game for a while, and they're back in, and we're really excited to try it out. So let's get this thing unboxed, and then we'll give you our opinion on it. There you have it. Don't throw away charger inside. Good thing they told me. I might have taken out this big heavy box and tossed it in the trash. You can tell there's definitely something in there. Alright, let's see if I can pull this bad boy out. There's the beast. Looks like not too many parts, shouldn't be too much trouble to put it together. Let's cut off all the plastic. You're going to want to be really careful with the handlebar because there's a lot of wires and cables and whatnot. So make sure you don't cut any. Alright, that's it for the unpacking. Now let's see how easy it is to put this thing together. I have not read any instructions for this, but I have owned several folding bikes. Let's see how easy this is just to put together without trying to figure it out. Oh, that's just a piece of packing. So let's see. Okay, so that snaps down, and then this is a little extra safety snap there. And they give you this little elastic, or not elastic, but a Velcro band. I believe that's for folding purposes. And one thing I want to show you before I lock the seat in place, this is what makes, one of the things that makes this bike really cool and unique, is that the batteries are actually in the seat. Also, I noticed that the tires come fully inflated. I don't know if they're to their max, but they're very firm. So basically, they send you this bike ready to hop on and go. So it took me about 5 minutes to take the packaging off. So you have a bike that within 10 minutes you can be out riding on the street. So I got it set in turbo mode here. So let's take off and see how much fun this is. Woo! That's pretty fun. What do you think?
Nice smooth ride. Very fun, very fast.
My initial impressions are that it's super fun, like any e-bike. It's very zippy. It takes right off. I did notice the seat comes out a lot further than I was saying. It comes pretty high, and you can see the cable there because the battery is inside the shaft. And that's one thing that caught my eye. I thought that was a pretty unique feature, to not have a big bulky battery here or here, but to have it hidden in the bike frame, so it really does kind of hide the fact that it's an e-bike, except of course the screen on the front. But it's super fun and peppy, and I look forward to giving it a further test, so make sure you check back here soon for our full review of the Citizen London e-bike.